Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, what it is and why it's essential for financial freedom. First, let's explore the various types of passive income streams you can start building today. Real estate investments can be lucrative. You can buy and rent properties or even start an Airbnb. Investing in stocks and earning dividends is another way to create passive income. Let's find out how to get started. Creating digital products such as ebooks, courses, or membership sites can provide consistent revenue. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Let's explore this opportunity. Utilizing online platforms for peer-to-peer lending can give you higher returns on your money. Consider automating a business through online sales and services. This can significantly enhance your passive income. It's vital to track and manage your passive income effectively. Tools are available to help you stay organized. Finally, set your long-term vision by establishing clear goals and milestones for 2026. Your journey begins today.